Hi, this is Amanda with Amanda's Answers, and I'm here today with my new Samsung stove. This is the new one with the air fryer included. If you look, has bake, broil, bread poof, as well as roast, bake, air fry, keep warm, dehydrate, self-clean of the 2, 3, 5 hour levels. It does have a warming center, as well as steam clean. You can set a timer, you can set it for time cook, and the most interesting thing of this is that it does have smart control. That means you can set it up with your A-Lady, the Echo, or you can set it up from any of your other smart controls as well. Okay, now this is a flat top with no back, as you see here. Now what I have done, I actually took and put in a silver stainless steel backdrop. It's just a piece that I got that's made for behind stoves. I just measured it out because my tile does continue on into the back, and I don't want that to splash, you know, any grease or anything to splash up there. If you have a normal backsplash, then it's of course fine. And I have the microwave, the Samsung microwave above it, so that takes care of that. Now this does have your 5 different burners. This one is a warming center. This has 2 circles. This one has 3. You will see here that you have a normal control here, but this one has your middle control and your large control. And the far right one is a normal one as well, with normal, high, and low. But this one actually has your small, and it does kind of stop when it gets to the next high level. So that's a medium, and that's the medium size, middle size, and this is the large, and you can see that right there. And you will see that the large is lighting up all 3, the middle just the 2, and the small just the 1 in the middle. Now when the surface is hot, it will tell you which one is hot. There's a light here, 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 and here to show you which one is still hot, whereas the rest is cool enough that you can touch it and nothing will melt. Now let's take a look inside. Since this is the air fryer version, which I absolutely love and I'm excited to try out, I have not tried it out yet, but it does have an air fryer rack. Now what I'm going to do is put a baking sheet underneath it, just for any droppings, so it'll go on the baking sheet instead and not cause any issues there. I do have the Smart Things app enabled on my phone, and this lets you control the different burners as well as the baking features. You can turn on and off the oven light even. So you see that's on now, and I'm going to press the button and turn it off. And also you can control it with your voice. Alexa, preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Preheating range to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for baking.
And you can use the various controls. You can tell her different things to bake or air fry or whatever it is that you choose to do. You do have to make sure that the smart control is activated, and you see the little Wi-Fi symbol, there, and the remote control there. If you don't have the remote control set up on your app, you can still remotely monitor it, and you can see this shows you that the oven's preheating. The range, the cooktop is still showing on because that red light is still on right now. And then I have my other devices in here as well, like my refrigerator. I love all these smart devices. And you can turn on the convection baking or anything like that as well. And for air frying, I'm going to stop what's on here right now, and I'm going to turn the air fry on, and we'll set it to 425 degrees and press start. Now the great thing about this is that it is much bigger than other air fryer devices that you have. So you know, I have a big family, so this lets me cook for all of us in that big size. And I am going to try out a recipe here and see how it cooks and how it fries. You can see, well, it stopped with the let's see if I can get it to turn again. The air fryer fan back there is spinning. It's slowing down now because I opened the door. But that does control the convection and the air fry, which are two different things on this oven. Okay, so the air fryer inside is nice and hot. I have a standard cookie sheet. I just lined it with some tinfoil, and I made some chicken strips. I just took some chicken and breaded it. Alright, so they are done now. Let's see how they turn out. Very nice, nice and crispy. Look at that. They come right up. Not a problem. Beautiful. Very, very pleased. As you can see here, I have now made many different meals on my new Samsung range with air fryer. I take lots of advantage of being able to preheat the oven and start air frying with my voice. It's come in very handy when I'm working, being able to do that without having to ask anyone else to. I just, you know, make it a point to not leave anything in the oven, which I haven't done anyways, but I know some people do. So that's something that if you are interested in getting this, you want to make sure that you get in a habit of not leaving anything in there. Also, I have made stuff like, you can see here, spaghetti. I have made brigadeiros. I'll have a recipe for that coming very soon, so watch for that. And I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch another video of mine. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future videos that I will be posting very soon. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know below, and I'll be sure to answer those. Any comments as well. I look forward to hearing from you. And thank you again for watching. This is Amanda with Amanda's Answers, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.